Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Salia Mabe and I am from Sierra Leone. I'm living in Bo, the second capital city of Sierra Leone. And Sierra Leone neighboring countries are Guinea and Liberia. Sierra Leone is found in West Africa. My hobbies are volleyball, soccer, and I like reading pathetic stories, very sorrowful stories. I like reading those type of stories. Um, I'm a returned missionary. I served my mission in Nigeria Port Harcourt mission, and later on I was transferred to my very home country, Sierra Leone, where I served in both um, Liberia and Sierra Leone as well. I am married with two kids, that I lost one to stillbirth, and the one that is living with us now is a baby girl by the name of Salia Mabel. And what I noticed from this week study or assignment or reading, which has really helped me from with one worksheet, is that I have always been thinking that my wife should have been able to clearly understand me by now, since we've married since 2017 and we've stayed together for at least some years now. So I've been thinking that she's supposed to know everything about me. But from what I really learned from this particular week assignment, it has taught me or helped me greatly to know that to achieve my goal as a public health professional, I must have to look at things from the other point of view. I don't have to think just within, but I have to think deeply so that I'll be able to put myself in people's position. By so doing, I can be able to help them. I'm so grateful that I found myself in this course, and I know I'll be able to really learn and gain much knowledge. And I'm happy to meet new friends, and I hope they'll be able to help me as well. I am weak, but I know with you guys I'll be strong. Thank you very much.